Welcome. You're watching the Magic Academy, and today is January 1st, 2018, and we have a super full moon in Cancer. Stay tuned to find out all about it. Okay, so welcome. It is 2018, New Year's Day, and we have a super full moon in Cancer today. There is some amazing qualities about this moon that are going to help you for this year. I know when we start the new year, oftentimes we think about success. And when we think about success, most of the time we think about business. We think about our, monetary goal setting. We think about our strategies in life and the rat race, being out there and trying to get ahead this year. Our finances and our money, those kind of things. However, that is what the sun in Capricorn is focusing on. Yes, it is. And the sun is in Capricorn right now. And that is, one of the fulfilling qualities about the sun being in Capricorn. But this full moon in Cancer does something a little different. First off, it opposes the sun in Capricorn. So that means if you were thinking, let's start off our goals this year with business and success and getting out of the gate and, going forward, do that second. Make that your second thing on your list this year. The first thing on your list, let's focus on building a solid foundation with Cancer. How can we do that? What should we focus on with Cancer? If we focus on the Cancer moon right now, since that's the major power, okay, the sun is out there. It's going to be there. The sun is there, okay? But the power day, today's power day is the full super moon in Cancer. So that, as a magical witch, as magical people, we need to focus on those power days and the correspondences of those power days. They come there, they appear, excuse me, they happen to bring us, those little special magical gifts and help that we didn't think we needed. Okay. And this one is awesome. I'm so glad it showed up. I'm glad it's opposing Cancer right now. It lets us know that, hey, sure, we want to build that tower, just like the tower card in the tarot before it falls. We want to build our castle. We want to have, success in our goals, our business, our pride. However, this Cancer correspondences are all about family. Okay? The element for this moon, first off, the moon element is water. Cancer element is also water. And the correspondences for that, or magical things that we can focus on with water, are psychic abilities. Okay, that's one of them. But the big one, the really big one, is family. So family is where we need to begin today for our foundation. And I am saying that we probably need to go back to that all year long. Make sure that we keep that foundation with family solid. We keep a balance with family and work all year. Let's do that all year, because that, I think, is why we have this super full moon today, to empower us in family, to make sure that we are fueled up in our family life and in our family situations. Okay, so you may be having troubles with some family members. Maybe you are the black sheep of the family. Maybe your family's kind of dull and not exciting. You'd rather focus on work. Whatever the situation is, today is a day about family, a magical day about family. So if you don't have family and you're alone, then you need to focus on self and home life, your life at home. And some of the ways to do that, some of the correspondences to do that, well, we've got moon and moon. So we've got water and water with the moon and Cancer. So any of your water element herbs are going to work for this. So lemon, hyacinth, is it? Yeah. What else? Chamomile, is chamomile water? some stones that you can use, some gemstones that you can use. Of course, anything for the moon. Moonstone, pearl, and think about the radiance that comes along with those gemstones, because that's, what is you can use and play into your magic as well. Ruby, and also garnet is fire, but if you don't have ruby, you can substitute with garnet, because I know garnet is easier to get your hands on. Because that's passion as well, and it will offer you success. But you definitely want to, blue stones and pink stones like rose quartz and blue calcite, blue lace agate are also awesome for today. Okay, so those are some things that you can think about and use. Sandalwood is always good. It helps empower everything. Myrrh is also wonderful because it's feminine. Okay, now, so your home life. Okay, so magic for your home life. How do we do that? What are some ways to pump up success with our home life? Well, first off, if you've been thinking, like I said in the beginning, if you've been thinking about your New Year's resolutions and your goals being centered around work, now's the time to keep those. Don't lose track of them, but take out that second piece of paper that you didn't think about doing before, or you didn't, or if you did, take that one out. All about family, self, home life, even pampering yourself. That time in the bathroom with your bubble baths, your candles going within, um, you know, fixing up your room so it's more comfy, getting your spaces organized so that your home functions better. Things that haven't been working out for your family that your family may need help in, like storage containers, maybe a new dresser, new shelves. Um, I'm not saying that's magically what you need to get. I'm just saying, ideal wise, how can you make your home space better for your functionality? How can you make your home space something that is not just where everyone throws everything, but that the home space is giving back to you? So it's serving you and it's serving everybody. So it's, in other words, like if you have a couch that sticks out and you keep tripping over it, maybe it's time to rearrange the room today so that the room is a little bit more better with flow of traffic for the family so people can get ready quicker. Things like that. Just focus on everything for the family. If you have unresolved issues, think about the ways to resolve those. If you think it's in somebody else's court, well, to start the ball rolling on that, think about how to go forward until they're ready to, and in a family loving sort of way. Okay. So those are some awesome things you can do. Because like I said, with the Tower card, what happened with the Tower card? It had a bad foundation. So all that success, all of that hard work, all of that structure that was built, when something striking or challenging comes out of nowhere, like out of the sky in a power, sense, and clashes with what you've built, challenges what you've built, the tower falls. But today's the day where the moon is saying, hey, let's remember that foundation of family and then build your tower on that. Okay, so we'll get to the tower, keep those goals you made for success, add those later, but let's backtrack a little bit and now focus on family. Also, think about banishings. Cancer is an excellent correspondence and zodiac to get in there and, give the old 1-2 of getting rid of everything that might be standing in your way, that might be trying to come along with you, or any obstacles at all. Banish them. Banish them, banish them, banish them. So get yourself some black obsidian, a black candle, black crystal, some white sage is excellent. Any kind of saging and clearing incense. If you don't have anything else, a little cinnamon on your candle will work excellent. Powdered cinnamon, anything like that. And just clear and banish all negative energies, all preconceived ideas where someone has already set judgments against you, okay, on a family level, get rid of those and start fresh. This is the year to start fresh with your family, and anything that has ever gone wrong is over. Okay, or maybe not over, but it's over giving you a bad time. It's not supposed to affect you this year. This year, the moon is here in Cancer to tell you, maybe you've been doing the old 2 steps forward, 1 step back, 1 step forward, 2 steps back. And Cancer does something a little bit different. Cancer doesn't just go forward and backward. Cancer side steps. Okay, so that's one of the things that Cancer does when it's in attack. It will sidestep. So you can do that too. Maybe it's time to take a different approach after clearing these energies. Okay, so think about that for yourself as well. Okay, so let me see if there's anything else that I missed that would be excellent to do today with Cancer. This also aligns with Venus and harmonizes with Mars and Neptune. So we got those helping us out as well. And just make sure the kind of things that when we get busy and get into our work life, the things that we neglect at home, put that on a to-do list. Make sure that those are a checklist that you can check every week and make sure that you haven't neglected those areas. Okay? I hope this has helped you. If you've liked it, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Oh, colors that you can use. Anything to do with the moon, like I said, blue, pink, pearls, reflections, mirrors, all of that is excellent. And it'll all help you out. Okay, so again, give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. Let's see if we can hit every full moon this year. There's going to be some amazing ones. Blessed be.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Also, if you're looking for more, go ahead and click the image in the center. That'll take you to all my playlists. And you can find me on my social media in the description below.